Hey, Jake with B&H. Today we're on location because we're demoing and testing Angler's newest octagonal speedlight softbox, and it's called the FastBox. Now, just like the name implies, these things set up incredibly fast and easy, which is what you want when you're on location. You want less of a headache, you want things that are fast and easy. Let me show you. That's it. That was easy. Now let's go use them. So we have two FastBoxes on hand today. We have the 24-inch and the 20-inch. Now they're both octagonal in shape, so they're gonna give you a nice round catch light in the eye if that's what you're looking for. They're essentially the same except for the size. If you go with the 24-inch, you're gonna get a slightly larger spread of light. And unlike most softboxes, these actually snap into place and lock in one motion. That easy. So once these are set up, you add your lights and you're ready to shoot. All right, so mounting your speedlight is just as easy and fast. You take the magnetic clip here that comes with the kit. Depending on which speedlight brand you go with, we have the ProPhoto A1. Snaps in place just like that, and then you gotta mount your speedlight, which, where did I put my, oh, thank you. This is the A1 speedlight, magnetically, snaps right into place, and you're ready to shoot. The interior of the box is silver lined, helping to amplify the output of the speedlight. The boxes feature inner and outer baffles for dispersing the light more evenly across your subject as well. This will help minimize hot spots and spread the light more evenly from edge to edge. So once set up, the pistol grip base of the FastBox uses a 5/8" twist lock receiver to attach to a light stand. Once on the stand, the light can be adjusted quickly using the trigger button for 120 degrees of tilt action. This feature makes it much easier to quickly adjust the position of a light without needing an extra hand to unlock the knob. Now, this feature is crucial for photographers who are on the move, like wedding photographers. One of the most attractive features of the FastBox, besides the rapid setup and the ease of use, has to be the all-in-one package. If you happen to have a ProPhoto A1 speedlight like we're using today, Angler makes an all-in-one kit for the ProPhoto A1. Get the softbox, you get the pistol grip, and you get the speedlight mount, all in one. You can use standard on-camera flashes or off-camera speedlights like the ProPhoto A1, Godox V1, or Westcott FJ80 flash heads. The FastBox also comes with a fabric grid that attaches to the front of the box, helping to narrow the beam of light. Having a modifier like a grid that comes with the softbox makes it even more of an all-in-one solution. So for further modification, you can purchase separately from Angler their color correction kit. They attach directly to the front of the light magnetically to save time. The kit also comes with a honeycomb grid to add directionality to the light. All right, so that's going to do it today. We had a fantastic time using the Angler FastBoxes. They're really easy to use and incredibly fast to set up. That's the way I like my photo gear. But what do you want to shoot with your Angler FastBox? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.